not even see you there. But girl, since you're here, go ahead, take a seat. Take a seat so you can find out all about this beautiful wig and what her specs and what she comes with, okay? You ain't gonna wanna miss this one, so since you here, peeping and squeaking, might as well stay tuned for this review, okay? Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm coming at you. I have a freaking plane flying over my house. You guys, I live on a military base, so whatever. Let me get my mojo back. Okay, so I'm coming to you with another wig review, okay? And I'm feeling myself right now, so I don't even remember what wig I'm supposed to be reviewing. Oh, okay. Anyways, I have another wig review for you today. And it's another Zury wig. And I don't even know her name because I ain't even picked up the box yet. Okay. Pine, okay. And I have her in the color RT2730. And we finna go from like glam girl to like summertime fine, okay? We finna go from ball to Beyonce, okay? I mean, both of them are good, you know? Shoot, Beyonce go to balls. Anyways, so stay tuned for this review, okay? I told you she's in the color 2730. Here is a picture of the stock card. Yes. She comes with those cute little summertime fine waves. So I'm gonna take it out of the packaging. This how she looks. That definitely just hit my foot, but we ain't gonna talk about that, okay? So take all this stuff out. Same old stuff you see me do all the time. Take it out. Up close, let's take a look. Okay, the curls are definitely like a little water wave curl mixture. Yes, she does come with baby hairs for your liking, for your choosing. Another bomb right side part. Yep, right side part. Okay. Cap construction is 2 combs. It's like one towards the front and one fairly off to the side. I guess it could, yeah, they're both off to the side since this is technically a deep right part. And then there's a comb in the back with an adjustable strap. There's a plane flying over my house again. Okay, and she's pretty. Texture is definitely light yaki and not experiencing any shedding but a little tangles. And so yeah, let's put this baby on and see what she's talking about. Okay, so off camera I went ahead and cut the lace off, and this is how much lace I cut off. Okay, so I guess we're gonna go ahead and let meant to be, Zury Sis Mint go off my head. Y'all, I'm so for real. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna start doing talk throughs on my videos instead of just always playing music. And then the birds are chirping, the planes are flying, the kids need snacks. Anyway, so I see a little bit of hair at the front that I could pluck. And what I usually do is just run my fingernail, run my fingernail through it and separate how much hair I would like plucked out, like so. And then I just slowly but surely pull them out. And this is just being extra, y'all, for real, because it ain't even that bad. The last one I just put foundation over it and it was fine. But in case you a plucking queen, in case you're a perfectionist, in case you want to go out looking none other than 10, then I'm gonna go ahead and slow this down for y'all. I'm going a little too fast, and if you haven't did this before, I really don't suggest you go this fast. But see, here's the hair right there. Drop that to the ground. I got a few more strands. My dog's snoring. She said, what's wrong with you thinking you finna do a talk through? Girl, don't you know you got a whole family and you live on a whole military base, girl. Ain't no peace. What you talking about? See how I open it up? I just like the front of my part to be a little bit more open. So I ain't even cut the stock card off of here, y'all. All right, so bam, y'all, I ain't even got to play with y'all with this whole middle part thing today. Y'all already know she going to the right because she a right side part. Okay, so this cap size is snug also, but it's definitely big hand friendly because it does have some stretch. I don't know what it is about these deep right part wigs. Oh, girl, hold on, let me go find somewhere to go today because girl, I wasn't even gonna cut the stock card off. Did I even show y'all the stock card? She is a part of their pre-feathered, let me make sure I'm saying it right. Oh, pre-stretched feathered end part. So instead of her having those blunt cuts at the bottom, she's gonna have this. Makes it look a little bit more natural. But baby, let me get this thing off. Girl, this is really cute. Oh man. That's one thing about Zury though, man. They have some good color selections. I love their 27. I don't even know, y'all. I'm trying not to cut this. I'm not taking it back off. Like, I didn't put it on and I already got hype, so. Come on, cut. No. Okay. All right, so. Yo, that's another plane. Oh my God. This is what y'all don't be hearing when I'm editing it out. Oh my gosh. She is so pretty. Oh, my bad for the red lipstick because she don't really go, but as you can see my stocking cap under there a little bit, wig cap, but girl, we don't care about all that right now. This color, and is she already a right part? Okay, so I always spray water, y'all. I don't know, it's just my security or something. I don't know, maybe in another lifetime or something, I walked outside with a hump in my head and people was talking about me. I don't know, maybe that's what happened, but it's just I have to spray the top. I have to spray the top and make sure. Y'all know I got a long head. We don't need no more extra humpage up here. We don't need none of that. This wig's so cute. Girl. Okay, all right, now chill out for real. All right, what y'all wanna know? All right, so still no shedding really. Hold on, okay, I got a strand or two. Could come from me plucking apart, but I did get, no, okay, no. See, that's how little it is. You're worried about the wrong thing. Tangling, it's not bad. It's not bad. Actually, the other one tangled more. I'm getting tangles on this side, but it's not this color. Y'all, what else? The cap size is snug in the front, but it is stretchable. So it's big hair friendly, but I can let you know it ain't going nowhere when it's in the front. The texture is a light yaki texture, and she is about 20, maybe 22 inches with the feather ends. About 20, 22 inches. I'm losing my track. Okay, hold on. This how she look from the side. This how she look from the back. Oh, you're out of the pack slate. So, if you want to do baby hairs, you have that option. I'm not a baby hair person. I'm sorry if you came here for that. I assume that you're a baby hair pro at this moment, so you ain't come to me for baby hairs, right? You came to me for the wig. Okay, all right. So, being extra, I'm gonna put some foundation. Maybelline Fit Me. I'm in the color 320 in the part because being extra, I plucked the part a little bit more. Hold on, y'all. I'm a little blind. I don't know how people just be doing this. Yeah, I can pluck this part a little more, but I'm actually scared because I don't want it to be open up too much. I don't want a real wide part. I guess this is where y'all little baby hairs be coming in at. Yeah, I don't really want to, and so I don't think that I am. Yeah, I'm about to be like, excuse me, who authorized flying at this time? I feel like if I pull this out, it's gonna be a bald spot, so it's not bothering me. I'm gonna keep it in there. So back to this foundation, Maybelline Fit Me. I'm just gonna fill this part in. Just really being extra. But I mean, it's a security thing, y'all. I'm telling y'all, in my past life, somebody must have clowned my wig or something, cause extra for no reason, y'all. I can't even see back that far. Whatever. My dog's so lazy, y'all. She a Great Dane. And she just sitting there doing nothing. Anyways, this wig is so cute. Okay, so actually my part might be bothering me a little bit. So give me 1 second, hold on. Okay, so what I'm guessing is that little extraness that I did earlier went a little bit too far. So what I usually do is take my Anastasia brow wiz or any kind of eyeliner to fill my part in, because I'm not plucking any more hair out of it. I feel like it's gonna be bald head if I do, so I'm gonna just fill in where I might have overplucked being extra. And hair-like strokes. Oh, okay. Can y'all see? All right, you see how it's closing up some? I'm trying to go in the same direction as the hair, and I'm sorry if y'all see my mirror, but child, I can't be bald. I can't have no bald part. All right, that's good enough for what I can see on this video. All right, so this wig is so pretty, so effortless. So I'm going on vacation, I'm going on a cruise, I'm going Disneyland with the kids, like just effortless, like let me pull that girl, go out there and give me that wig, that Zury Pine wig. Nah, this is the kind of wig my kids will remember by name. Okay, go and get Pine. Oh, I might have to order her another color, y'all. I am getting a little bit of tangling, but she's so pretty and so flowy, and so should be on your wish list if you like this wet and wavy type of look, because y'all, summer is here, summer is amongst us. So holla at your girl, not me, but Pine. Holla at her and tell Zury to stop coming through like this on us. Don't be doing that to us. Oh, this wig is cute, y'all. So that's my final thoughts on this wig. I don't have any cons on this wig. Not even a tangling. I don't have any cons on this wig. Nope. None. I got a lot of pros. It's gorgeous as heck. And yeah, I mean, I love this wig. You can even spray this wig with some water. The opportunities are endless with this wig. But that is my thoughts on this wig, y'all. Like, I super love this right part. Y'all know I'm a sucker. And she cute. Like, I'm low-key about to be like, baby, you need to take me somewhere. Because you can't leave me at home like this. You can't leave me at home like this, y'all. She's so cute. She's so cute. I'm ordering another one, y'all. That's all I got. Y'all. Have a good day.